Information and the location of your muster station will be found in the Princess Anne or portals around the ship. Step 2. Watch.
You guys ready to go on a room tour? We're going on a room tour. B403. We're on deck 11, also known as the Baja Deck.
The Baja?
Oh, the Baja?
Yeah.
The Baja Deck. Not Baja?
No.
All right, so I got to use my medallion. It automatically is going to see that it says Andrea. Picked Andrea up. But the door, if you look at the green light on the door, bang, we're going in. Come on in. When you enter the room, on the back of the door, it gives you your emergency instructions in the event there was ever a need to go to your muster station. It tells you where to go. We're located where the red dot is. We'd go down to the stairway to deck 7 to muster D. Now the real key here is in the event there was an emergency, you would in fact grab your life jackets and take those down to the muster station with you. There's Andrea seeing what we're going to do today. This is our bedroom, queen size bed. So keep in mind, at the end of the video, we do a complete review of our stay. We talk about the bed, we talk about any weird stuff about the room. Let's go through electronics. No USB, no plugs. Storage, we got drawers here. Oh, someone's panties have been left behind. I hope he hasn't gone pantyless. We'll have to fix that. But did you notice that? There's this little light. It's like a night light. It should shut off. Well, it's on right now, but it does turn on at night when you get out of the bed to help you out. The bed is a queen size bed. We'll let you know at the end of the video. We do a complete review. And we'll let you know, how comfortable the bed was, the sheets, the pillows. So here's the other end table. No USB. No USB. You've got the lights for the room. This goes to the hallway. This one goes to the lights above. Storage. And more storage. Now, you know how we found those underwear in there? When we go look at the safe, I hope we can find some money in there. This is a big TV. Our little bar area. We've got a blow dryer. Let's see what we got in here. Refrigerator. I like the desk area. Check this out. Behind here, we have another outlet, and we have a Wi-Fi plug. But like I said, at the end of the video, we'll tell you how it's all played out. What's strange here is you've got a blow dryer here, and you got a blow dryer here, so maybe one's not working and they placed it. All right, let's see what we got in here. Storage. Only problem with this storage is it's like shelving, and you can really stuff something way back there and not know. It would be much better if they were drawers. More storage here. Here's the thermostat. Self-explanatory. Cooler, warmer. All right, we've got all the right kinds of hangers with clips. Love it, love it. Now this is a big closet. This is a decent sized closet. It really is. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, there's the safe. Do we have any money in there? Was there any money left over? Let's look. No. No money. All right, maybe next time. There's the safe. Storage. All right. Going into the bathroom, you got to watch your step. There is a step up right there. Step up into the bathroom. Got a stand-up shower. We've got shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. And what's cool about this is the temperature control is down the bottom, and they turn the shower on and off is up the top. That usually makes a sense. The first thing you go after is the top one. It's a shower head. Not a big fan of the shower head. We're used to more like a shower wand, but we get used to it. We've got a retractable clothesline in the event you had something wet, clothes, whatever, and you wanted to hang it in the shower, you could. Toilet brush, toilet paper, extra toilet paper, storage, tissues. And we got a sink. We've got hand soap and lotion, face cloths, storage, 110 electrical outlet, perfect for electric shaver or electric toothbrush. There's also a European plug right there. It's kind of odd, but it works. And then we've got more storage and shelves. Nice full-size mirror. These are always nice. And we've got two hooks. Two hooks on the back of the door. Let's go do some laundry. They do have laundry on this floor, but it is not on our side, even though it indicates it's on our side. It's not. It's on the other side. I don't recall it being that far down, but I can see it way down there. So it's a little walk. All right, we are at that point where we do a full review on the room. We've been in the room for what, 16 days?
I think that's what it's been.
Was
right?
it 16 days? It's been a long time.
It really has.
So, do you want to go first or you want me to go first?
Why don't you go first?
All right, I'll go first this time. I can't talk about the room itself until I talk about the bed. We slept in the bed, and I literally, because it's two beds put together, two single beds put together, I was literally falling in the middle of the two beds.
They were separating.
They were separating. I was like, ah! And talked to Avellino, who was our room steward, the next day, and I was kind of like, Avellino, we have to fix this. I was a little aggressive. Oh my God. It was unbelievable.
Whatever he did,
I don't know what the hell he did, but it was amazing.
Yes.
And that was the first night. And we were there 16 nights.
And never had a issue.
Never had another problem.
Yeah.
So, Avellino, hats off to you, brother.
Yes, that's good. One other thing, since we're talking about the bed and some of the things, what did we find behind the bed?
Oh, we found some European plugs. So the lamps on the two end tables are connected to European plugs. Now, we travel with all kinds of plugs because we travel all over the world. And we have these different plugs available to us. If you look in our Amazon link down below, you'll see the plugs that we use. And it came in handy. We actually unplugged one of the lamps, plugged in our European plug, and then we plugged in Andrea's phone and watch charger right next to her bed.
So, if you'd like to support us by clicking on that link, if it's something that you'd like to purchase, that is our affiliate link. We do gain a little bit of a commission on the purchases when you click in and make the purchase. And if you'd like to do so, that would be wonderful.
Yeah, it gives us a little support and helps us out. And you don't pay, and no cost to you.
Yeah.
So it's a win-win situation. Check it out down below. We call it Cruise Essentials.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, back to the room review.
Back to the room review. So we talked about the bed. The bed he straightened out right away, but it was a problem initially. The shower.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very
I
nice.
loved it. I like a wand, but this was a shower head, and the pressure was unbelievable.
Yes. That
Loved
was
it.
nice. It was warm. The temperature never fluctuated. It was what we said it was. We never had to change it.
Never changed it.
Which is a wonderful thing. There was one day where we had a little bit of an issue with our sink, and we did call maintenance and they cleared it up right away. So if you ever have any issue with either your toilet or your sink backing up, just let them know and they come. It's usually a back end process. They usually go from the outside in the hallway, and because it's a vacuum suction situation, it's usually just a quick fix, and it was.
Yeah, but on our sink, well, let's go back it up a little bit, okay? The sink, we had a little bit of a backup with the sink. I don't think you fix that through a suction thing in the hallway. You actually have to come in, and there's a trap underneath, and that they had to release.
Well,
but regardless,
they didn't do it while we were there, so you're right.
They did fix it. They did fix it right away, but it was a little bit of a clog, but no big deal. That kind of stuff doesn't bother us because we know it's simple. Didn't cause a lot of problems for us. The other thing in the room, that it was an inside cabin. The lighting was a little dim. We found some switches behind the pillows. You would figure it out after your first night there because you would move your pillow and go, oh. There's switches here. And that's what happened to us.
Yes.
It was okay. It was an okay experience.
Inside room. There was no external noise that we could hear. It was great. I mean, noise wise, location wise, for the room where it was situated, it wasn't above or below any other deck that you're going to get some external noise from. Yeah. All right. So
all right. Move on. You want to move on to location?
Yes.
Let's move on to location.
All right. So let's talk about location. Like we said, it's an inside room. So the position in which it was on the ship was pretty much almost dead center. If you want to say maybe a little bit towards the front staircase, but it was pretty close to almost in the middle. And it was on the 11th floor, which meant that you're walking, either up or down to go to any of the places on the public places on the ship, whether it's the Lido or downstairs to the shops, the casino, or bars or whatever. We are back of the ship type of people. We like the back pool area. We like the back view area, as well as the fact that this ship has dining for the Lido midship and then in the back. They have the planks as well as the steamers where they alternate. And we find the seating back there at night, if you are eating in the Lido, to be the best. It's not as crowded, it's a little more quiet, and we like that quite a bit. So that was a little bit, not so much a struggle, but it was a walk to get to the back of the ship.
But we get our steps in. But you weren't that far away from the elevators and the stairs. We get our steps in. We like the stairs. We don't take the elevator. It's very seldom that we take the elevator. However, somebody between the two of us does laundry. And the sign said there was laundry on our floor. On our side?
Our side.
No.
There was not.
No. I had to go across to the other side to find the laundry. There was 2 washers, 2 dryers, and a couple of ironing tables, and we got the laundry done. It wasn't that far, but it wasn't that close either.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is where I say, Andrea, would you stay in that cabin again?
So, if I had my choice of an inside cabin on that floor, no, I wouldn't stay in that spot. I would pick one closer to the back of the ship because that's where I like to do spend most of my time. So that's what I would do. Because I know room for room, most of them are about the same. So, usually I say yes, but I kind of threw him a curveball today.
You did throw me a curveball, but I'm going to help you with that curveball, and I'm going to hit it out of the park.
Okay.
Let's say there are no other rooms in the back of the ship available. Would you book this room?
Yes.
Bang! I knocked it out of the park. Yes, we would book this room again.
And I will say the Emerald Princess is actually it's an older, really nice, quaint ship. I think it was really it's a nice size. It's got a lot of outdoor space. You can really lose yourself and feel like you're having a little bit of a private moment. And you don't have to be part of a big crowd. You don't have to fight for a lounge chair. You don't have to, you know,
It's
jump
great.
over too many
It's
kids or
great.
something to get to the pools or things like that. I mean, there's a lot going on the outdoor space. So,
Yeah, they have a ton of outdoor
so
space.
yes, I would, if it was the last room on the board, I would definitely book again.
I hit that out of the park. And this is where I say, ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.